How to fix the error establishing a database connection in WordPress. Are you seeing the error establishing a database connection notice on your WordPress website? It is a fatal error that makes your WordPress website inaccessible to the users. This error occurs when WordPress is unable to make a connection to the database. A number of things can affect your WordPress database connection, which makes it a bit difficult for beginners to troubleshoot. What causes error establishing a database connection in WordPress? The error establishing a database connection issue can be caused by incorrect database information in your WordPress settings, corrupt database, or an irresponsive database server. As a content management system, WordPress uses a database to store all your content and other website data. It then connects to the database each time someone visits your website. WordPress needs the following information for connecting to the database: database name, database username, database password, database server. This information is stored in your WordPress configuration file called wp-config.php. If any of these items are incorrect, WordPress would fail to connect to your database server, and you'll see the error establishing a database connection error. It is one of the most common WordPress errors. Apart from incorrect credentials, this error can also appear if the database server is down, or the database files are corrupt. Let's take a look at how to fix error establishing database connection issue in WordPress with step-by-step troubleshooting. Check your WordPress database credentials. The most common reason for database connection error in WordPress is incorrect database credentials. If you have recently moved your WordPress site to a new host, then this could be the most likely reason. Your WordPress database credentials are stored in the wp-config.php file. It is the WordPress configuration file that contains important WordPress settings including database information. If you have not edited wp-config.php file before, then take a look at our guide on how to edit wp-config.php file in WordPress.